Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will learn all about the text tool and welcome back to dunia.rang.rangeli. Guys, from here you have this text tool. If I right click and I click on the horizontal tab tool, you have this right here. You can see the text styles. From here you have many styles here. You can see if I drag this down, you have many of the styles. If I click on any of the styles, for example, I click this empty shadow regular. I click right here and I right here tasty. You can see it is like this, but now you have the other points right here. If I click on this, you can resize this. You can make the size smaller or larger. For example, I click on 11 pt. You can see like this, it will make smaller or larger. I'm clicking here. You can select and press here 8. You can see it is very small, so I will take round about 20. Guys, now here into the styles, if you don't have styles here, you can go into the view and you can click on the styles from the view or the window. I have the styles in my window. I can click from here, check this, and you will have these styles. If I click on any of the styles, guys, you can see these styles right here. If I click on any of the style, like I click here, you can see the styles are changing. If I click right here, you can see the text of my styles. See, this look elegant when you want to make the thumbnail, when you want to add it into your picture, any of the text. See, this looks very elegant. See, I'm loving this. Guys, if you click here, you can load many other styles. For example, you have DP style, glass buttons, image effects, photographic effects, text effects, etc. If I click on the KS styles, let's see what this has. Yes. Guys, you can see here I have these case styles. You can see other styles right here. Go ahead and check these styles. Guys, now same like this, as you have worked with horizontal, you can work in the vertical type tool. I'm deleting this layer. And now I will go with the vertical type tool. If I click here and I write text, you can see it will work in the vertical way. You can change your text from here. You can change your sharpness. You can also change your spacings. And guys, moreover, you can change your styles also from the here. Like I have this art style. You can work in super cool with these effects. See, if I click on horizontal, you can see I have here like these options. I can go to bend or I can change this to my taste. Guys, this is super cool. You can work with these types of. If I go for infrared, I can work with this. if I go for twist, I can work with this very easily. Guys, now if you go with horizontal type mask tool, I will teach these tools in the next class. Guys, this is all for today. If you like, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is the artist Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.